Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to build a chatbot with Landbot in 2026. If you want to create interactive chatbots for your website, lead generation, or customer support, this guide will help you do it step by step. First, open your web browser and log into your Landbot account. Next, go to your dashboard and click on Create New Bot. Now choose the type of chatbot you want to build, such as website chatbot or WhatsApp chatbot. Next, select a template or choose to start from scratch for full customization. Now you will enter the Chatbot Builder, where you can design your conversation flow. Next, add a welcome message that greets your visitors and introduces your bot. Now build the conversation by adding questions, text blocks, and user input fields. Next, use buttons and quick replies to guide users through different paths in the chatbot. Now connect each step to create a smooth and logical conversation flow. Next, test your chatbot using the preview mode to make sure everything works correctly. Finally, publish your chatbot and embed it on your website or connect it to your chosen platform. And that's it. You've successfully built a chatbot with Landbot. Your bot is now ready to interact with users and collect information automatically. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.